Hi everybody, my name is Udo. I'm a professional artist and art tutor. I've been working in universities and art schools for many years. Welcome to my gesture drawing course. Who is the course intended for? The course addresses all levels, but especially beginners and re-entries. And what we can do here is we can bring in the belly button here and here, and that makes it even more readable, the pose. Okay? What is the gesture? The gesture expresses the essential element of a pose and their interplay with each other. The shoulder comes here, goes here, simple cylinder, and doing something like this. Okay, now my next consideration is what is the hip doing? I'm checking for the two aces bones. They're here. From a psychological viewpoint, drawing helps you to unwind and to release stress. And you are able to dive into a different world, which only consists of you, a piece of paper, and your drawing tool. Sometimes go from left to right, right to left as I just did, and also here horizontal, vertical ones. You go for the general direction, and I'm thinking of kind of the center of the form, in this case the center of the leg and its direction. So I want this leg going here and going back. Something like this. This side is higher, swings up, and then we have compression. And now I'm already looking for the aces bone, which is here, and for the other one, which is somewhere here. Connect them, draw my triangle, and I have my pelvis halfway sorted. The leg here. I got 1 minute left. The time poses make us focus on the essential parts of the gesture without getting lost in detail. We will also use various drawing tools like the paintbrush, watercolor, in order to get the volume of the pose on the paper. We use the fountain pen, charcoal, and so on. It's important that you don't judge your drawings in terms of good or bad. Analyze them and look what needs to be improved and what is already working. Drawing is a lifelong process, and it's counterproductive to put yourself under pressure or stressing yourself out over a drawing which is maybe not working. Stay focused and loose and enjoy the process. You will get better and better. It is only a matter of attitude and practice. I'm drawing every day, and I can tell you, drawing has become so much more than a hobby. It is a beautiful and fulfilling activity which enriches your life in many ways. So, if this sounds good to you, let's meet at the inside. I see you in a bit. Thanks for watching. Take care.